Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to create a good and epic server on Discord. So as you can see, you're currently on my server. It's a newly made server, and my tip is first you go through your here on server settings and change the name of your server or what your server is about. So let's say you wanted like about Valorant, you could change it to Valorant plays or Valorant players, or like Dota 2 gods or something. Just make it catchy, or about this what's your server is about, something like that. So after you're done with that, next is to add bots. So adding bots is easy. Just click on this again on the top left corner here and go to app directory, and you'll see all these bots. Go to all, and here ProBot, Dino, Midjourney bot. There's so many bots to pick here, so it's up to you what you would want to pick. Just click on it and go through the process and add the bot. Once you're done with that, the next thing you'd want to do is go to server settings again and fix the permissions or roles to like default permissions for the unverified members here. They're only able to access the view channels and read message history. They can't manage channels, create expressions, they can't send messages unless they're verified. So for the verified members here, so let's go to there again, roles. Verified members, the permissions are way more than what the unverified members can do. So it's up to you on what you would want to set. Like here, see, so you can just open everything. It's basically up to you. So once you're done with that, now you could make channels. So this is what you call channels here, more channels, and this is what you call a category. So create a channel, and this is the category, this is a channel. Okay, so you can make a category here, like, so there's all the clips and highlights. So let's say out of topic channel or category, thoughts. Go with thoughts here, create channel under that, then boom. So it's up to you what channel you want to make based on what is your server about. So once you're done with that, of course, decorations are very important so that your server will be more lively and, of course, aesthetic. So there are many ways to add decorations, like emojis here. So let's say go here, add a channel, go add some emojis right there. Thoughts, go add a brain emoji, boom, something like that, and go click save changes, and boom. See, it's more engaging for the users. And if you get the Nitro subscription, you'll get more designs and animated emojis or effects. So getting a Nitro subscription is pretty worth it. And then lastly is go advertise your Discord server. You could do that by going through Facebook, Instagram, or all the socials like YouTube, Twitter. You could post your server there and get the invite link so that anyone can join. So you can also go to servers like Sounds World. I cannot join since this is a new Discord account, but if your account age is 7 hours or minimum age is 3 days, minimum age is 3 days and account's age is just 7 hours, so I cannot join here. But once your account age or your server age is 3 days already, you could join Advert servers so that you could post there, what your server is about, and you can put the invite link or something so that people can join your server. So that's basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.